Hi there, this is just a small video that shows you how to purchase the Cysgliad software package. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open a web browser and point your web browser at the following address, which is www.cysgliad.com. Once you get to this page, you will see a menu. You click on Buy. Now, for home users and individuals, you can buy Cysgliad from the Canol van Bedwyr website. If you're an enterprise or an organisation, you need to email cysgliad@bangor.ac.uk and we will send you a quote. Seeing as this video is for home users, what you can now do is click on the link to the Canol van Bedwyr website. This directs you to the Canol van Bedwyr website where you can purchase Cysgliad. So the first thing you need to do is just fill in your details. And once you've submitted this form, this will let the Canol van Bedwyr office know that you have ordered Cysgliad, but now you've got to pay for it. So you click on the link here. This will take you through to the Bangor shop where you can add Cysgliad to your basket and proceed to the checkout. In the next video, we'll be looking at how you then install the software package. Thanks very much for watching.